Integrated telecoms firm Airtel is in the final stages of rolling out an overdraft facility targeting its customers in Kenya. The facility will help Airtel Money customers make payments even when their balance is negative. The company plans to launch the product in early 2026. Airtel Money Managing Director Kinuthia says the introduction of the facility is designed to empower customers to complete transactions with ease.
Fintechs such as mobile money have been key in deepening financial inclusion. There are currently about 47.7 million mobile money subscriptions in Kenya, representing a penetration rate of 91%, according to the latest data from the Communications Authority of Kenya. The mobile phone overdraft market is highly dominated by Safaricom's Fuliza, which is backed by the NCBA Bank. The mobile overdraft service lent more than 600 million shillings in the last 9 months to September 2025. Airtel Money is planning to cash in on the growing appetite for mobile money overdraft service, where close to 8 million Kenyans have subscribed to this service.
A lot of customers want to complete a transaction but are not able to because they have insufficient funds in their wallet. So we are looking not only on expanding the loan platform by engaging with additional loan providers, but also on the overdraft side, where customers now will be able to complete a transaction if they do not have enough funds in their wallet.
Airtel Money is banking on the affordability of services, ecosystem expansion in partnership with providers of lending, savings and merchant solution services to favorably position itself in the Kenyan market.
The beneficiary is always the customer, because at prices on mobile money today in this market are very high. And those prices need to come down, right? And create more affordability, because we are playing a financial inclusion, offering to Kenyans.
Airtel Money Managing Director Kinuthia Otieno says the telco is also planning to leverage its operations across the globe for a bigger pie of the diaspora remittance business.
Across the globe, we have partnered with World Remit, we have partnered with Remitly, and many other service providers to where customers can then send and receive money from. So the IMT business, if I look at the remittances in Kenya, it's a space that we are playing in. It's a space that in the recent days you're going to see us again rolling out more partnerships, because it's a space that we want to play in.